Hi everyone, my name is Ava Marsh and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do mermaid waves. All you're going to need for mermaid waves is a waver. I'm using the Bondi Boost waver. It's super big, but it gives like the best mermaid waves. So I'm going to be using that. And then you're going to need a heat protectant. I'm using the Tang heat protectant. And then to finish it off, you're just going to need like a wave or shine spray or a texture spray. I'm using the Oribe Après Beach wave and shine spray. So I'm just starting with clean hair from last night. I washed it and blow dried it, and then it's a little bit messed up because of sleeping. So all I did was brush it out this morning, and now I'm going to section it off into two sections. So I kind of like to take the first section where my eyebrows are, and I'm just going to create a little circle. Here's a little tangled. And I'm going to section off this top section. I'm going to take bigger sections for my mermaid waves, so that's why I'm doing two sections. Once I have this bottom section, I'm taking two sections just side by side like this, and I'm going to spray with my heat protectant. Okay, now I'm going to take my Bondi Boost iron, as much as like that covers my ears, so I'm going to take that first section, open up my iron, clamp it down, hold for a few seconds, and then move it down. You're gonna do that all the way till you get to the ends, and it should look like this. I have a different angle because my camera died. So anyways, you have that first wave. Now I'm gonna be taking just different size sections. For the bottom layer, I like to do bigger sections because that's your base. And I'm just gonna be doing the same thing with the iron. The bigger the section, the longer you're going to need to hold it because you have more hair in the iron. It's going to take longer for it to wave it. Should look something like this. You can take smaller sections, but I think if you're using the Bondi Boost iron, it's way easier to take bigger sections. Okay, so that's what our first side is looking like. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Taking that first section to cover my ear. Now that the first section's done, I'm going to go ahead and take down my top section. I'm going to do the same thing, just split that right in half down the back. And then taking my heat protectant and spraying it. You should always be using a heat protectant before you use a hot tool. For the front section is kind of hard to do because you don't want like a crinkle line right in the front. So I take a pretty big section for my face frame, probably like this much. Pretty good section. And I'm gonna kind of just clamp it kind of quick, kind of move it around, and then hold it down. Everyone's different. I don't like my face frame like too crimped, so I don't do it too crimped, but if you like it super waved, then go ahead and do it that way. Take that second section, clamp right at the top. The longer you hold it, the more crimped it's going to be. So if you want a softer look, don't hold the iron down as long. I like doing different size sections because it's going to give you different waves in your hair. So do like some thicker, like I like to do the bottom thicker, and then as the top I grab different sizes so you have different wave patterns through your hair. So see how much more waved that is than this? So I think I'm gonna go and fix this side just to get it a little more waved. Now we kind of got it looking like the other side. This side's giving me trouble, I'm not too sure why. This hairstyle is super easy and quick and a great hairstyle for if you wake up and your hair's all like kind of kinky and like there's some random curls in there and you don't have time to straighten it or curl it. Like this is like perfect. This is what we're looking like. So I kind of just run my fingers through it because I want it to be like messy, undone, not too put together. So once you've kind of like messed it up and you have it how you like it, take a texture spray or a wave spray. So I'm going to be taking mine and I'm just going to be spraying throughout it. And there you have it, just some messy, undone, beachy waves. I love this hairstyle. It's super quick, super easy. If you don't have the Bondi Boost iron, I would definitely get that. It's just super great for these kind of waves, especially if you like your waves more messy and undone like I do. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a comment below what tutorial you'd like to see next, and I will see you next time.